Abundance is your birthright. If you are unhappy with your wealthiness status, this is the very first thing you need to put into your mind. Because just look around you, there's certainly an abundance of things, whether houses, sand, leaves, trees, air, etc., etc. So who says the same should not be the case for your wealth? With that in mind, in this video, I will share with you 6 things you can do today to start attracting wealth abundance into your life right away. Hi, this is Mandy. Welcome back to the show. I'm a licensed corporate finance advisor, owner of 2 vegan businesses, and on this channel, I talk about money, business, entrepreneurship, intentional living, and everything in between. If it sounds like something that interests you, click the notification button and subscribe to my channel so you'll never miss another video of mine. Let me now tell you how you can attract wealth abundance into your life. The first thing you need to do is to be ready to start over. Do you feel like your financial status is simply not how you want it? If yes, it's never too late to decide to start things afresh. Take a pen and write down the details of the wealth you envision for yourself, and start steering yourself to that objective from today. Be sure to think about the exact amount of money, assets, and other possessions that allow you to enjoy life to the degree you want. When you do that, you give yourself an excellent starting point for attracting the wealth you desire. One of my goals this year is to generate 1 million for my company. And so far, we have reached, I would say so far, we still have 200K to reach in order to hit that target, and we still have 5 months to do that. And my goal for next year is to generate 1.5 million for my company. And I envision how many projects I need to get in order to hit that target. When you give details to your wish, you give yourself an excellent starting point for attracting the wealth you desire. The second thing you need to do is to pay attention to your feelings when you check your bank account balance. Whenever you peek at your bank account balance, do you feel awful, uncertain, worried, or even ashamed? If you do, that may very well be the reason why you aren't attracting money into your life. See, when you feel bad about your financial situation, you will undoubtedly attract situation of not having enough money. So, what you want to do from today is to stop feeling negative about your current financial situation. Instead, accept things as it is, or better yet, release all worries about your financial circumstance and start feeling wealthy. It is a fact that when you do this for some time, you will realize that things are changing for the better. For example, you will start having more opportunities of getting money into your life. The first thing you want to do is to surround yourself with people and items that carry the frequency of money and abundance. What do I mean? Well, sometimes people with money are demonized by politicians and the media. But in reality, most people that are successful in attracting money now are hardworking and upstanding people. You want to start hanging around such people to attract more money than you already have. While at it, be sure to be positive to keep attracting more better people into your life. Eventually, you will have a good network of better people who undoubtedly help you on your journey to an abundance of money. As for items, you want to have things that symbolize money. For example, a gold chain if you can afford it. You can also get some crystals, say citrine, to give your space that expensive and exquisite feel. The reason behind my choice of gold and citrine is their yellow color, often associated with value, which goes a long way in influencing your subconscious mind to think about elegance. And not to forget, you can take things a notch higher by acquiring scents such as jasmine, vetiver, and pine, which are known to attract money. The fourth thing you really need to start doing today is to visualize being wealthy. To become wealthy, you first need to visualize it. Don't know where to start? Well, make a list of possessions or assets you want to attract. When you're through with that, starting from today, be sure to find a quiet spot whenever you want and whenever you can, and imagine having all of these things. The idea is to plant the seed of this desire in your subconscious mind and let them manifest in real life. Keep in mind, what you have now should not determine what you visualize. You want to search deep within yourself to find what you truly desire and focus on that. Be sure to create as vivid a picture as possible, whether it's of a bank account with money, cars, property, and so on. Still, you want to be realistic about this thing. You can't just visualize having 1 million in your bank account the next morning and expect it to be there. Also, I want you to visualize something that you can hold emotionally. For example, if 1 million is too far-fetched to you, maybe you should start visualizing maybe with 50K, 100K, something that you can emotionally hold it. Because if that is too far-fetched, your emotional or energy wouldn't align with your vision. And of course, it's hard for you to manifest that. The fifth thing I want you to do is to take actions. How can you get whatever wealth you visualize in your mind? Well, perhaps the most crucial and obvious tip of attracting wealth and abundance is to take actions. It means making a conscious choice to learn all you can about money and how wealth is accumulated. Examine the practice, beliefs, and habits of people who have created and attract wealth because they are your teachers. Take action should also be as simple as budgeting, finding ideas for attracting wealth, living within your means, or identifying activities that can earn you money. It also means seizing opportunities and being consistent at pursuing money. Taking myself as an example, one of my many goals for next year is to build a portfolio that not only beats the market, but also generates return that equals to at least 1/3 of my day job salary. I think that is quite ambitious, but I've been learning how to better select ETFs and stocks, and also how to look at the chart in a smarter way. So even though I don't know how I'm gonna meet that goal, I know I'm gonna do that. The sixth thing you need to start doing today is to respect the power of money. Last but not least, to attract wealth abundance, you need to understand that money is indeed the byproduct of your hard work and labor. If you disrespect money, you basically disrespect yourself. Well, respecting money is so about keeping it organized, monitoring it from time to time, and appreciating that money holds both restorative and destructive powers, meaning that money is not to be handled recklessly. Respecting money also means not to use it as a temporary tool to boost your self-esteem through unneeded spendings. Money, when managed properly, has the power to grow and take care of you for many years to come. On the other hand, when disrespected, it can very well impact your life negatively. So, to attract money, you want to start respecting what you have at the moment. If you want to attract wealth into your life, these tips make an excellent place to start. Importantly, remember to stay positive and refuse to surround yourself with negativity. If you find yourself in the middle of a negative conversation, be sure to take your leave politely. In fact, building and safeguarding your personal boundaries is so important, and I have talked about it in my another video. So be sure to check that out. That's it from me for today. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. I really appreciate you being here, and I'm sending you all my love from Hong Kong in my amazing apartment. And I look forward to seeing you in my other videos. Bye.